Hello friends, Nehar from here, and today we are exploring the difference between elastic block store and the instance store. What is the difference of elastic block store, that is called AWS, and instance store IS? What the difference that will be talk in today's video. Let's go to study. So I am going to just for begin. So guys, in the elastic block store, when we are going to talking about the attachment to, first one is attachment to EC2 instance. As per the elastic block store, as a network drive, it's a network drive. Whenever we're talking to the instance store, is the physical attachment. Okay, the instance store is a physical attachment. The elastic block store is as a network drive. When you're talking about the life cycle, it's separated from EC2 instance. It's separated from where? From EC2 instance. It's tied with the EC2 instance. It's separated, but it's tied with the EC2 instance as for the life cycle. Cost depend on the provision size. It's depend upon the which size? The provision size about the cost. It's zero, including in EC2 instance cost. Its price is zero, including your EC2 instance cost. Flexibility, increasing your size. It's increasing your size whenever your data is increasing. The instance store is fixed. It cannot be increasing. Like as if it's 5 GB, it should be constant the 5 GB. If it's 5 GB, it should be increasing to 10 GB, 15 GB. Okay. Input output speed. In input output speed, it's the elastic block store is lower because of a network latency, because it attached with it as a network drive. That's why it's the lower network latency. It is so faster, 200x of EBS. It's the faster as per instance store. The input output speed is so faster, but the lower in elastic block store. Snapshot, its support. Actually in elastic block store you will be take the snapshot, but whenever we are going to the instance store, there is no snapshot. It's not supported. Use case, permanent storage. Elastic block storage is permanent, but it is ephemeral storage. Okay, it means not a permanent, it's the temporary storage. Boot up time, it's low. The boot up times as compared the elastic block store, it's low, but the instance store is the high. So guys, again overview, attachment of EC2 instance as a network drive. Okay, but it is attachment with it physically. Here is network. Okay, life cycle separate from the EC2. It is separated from EC2 instance, but it is tied with the instance EC2 instance as per the instance store. Cost depend upon the provision size. What the provision size is right now, that's the cost. It's the zero, including your EC2 instance cost. It's totally zero instance store. Okay. The flexibility is increasing the size. You can be increasing the EBS size anytime, but in the case of an instance store, it's totally fixed. Input output support, here is lower because the network latency. Here is very faster. It's 200x of EBS, means it's too faster as compared than the elastic block store. Snapshot, EBS is support, but instance store is not support. Use case, it's the permanent storage. Elastic block storage is permanent storage, but the instance store is the temporary storage. Boot up times, it's lower, but boot up times as compared than elastic block store, instance store is very high. Okay, so guys, it's about the difference between the elastic block store and the instance store. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe me, and next time we will be talking about something different video about the AWS. Till then guys, bye bye.